Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So you can actually use two different WhatsApp numbers from one device. So let me show you. We have WhatsApp and we have WhatsApp Business. So you can have two WhatsApp in one phone, any Android phone or any iOS phone. So you can use two different register WhatsApp phone numbers from one device. So let's say I use two WhatsApp because I have two numbers. I have one my family number and I have my business number. It's extremely actually important to have a business number separate. So we have a family number and we have WhatsApp Business for business only. So you can actually, if you need that, you can have two different WhatsApp in one device, Android device or iOS device, and extremely easy to do that. You can just download WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business and you can use two different numbers from one device. So that's how you do that. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.